5 plus 5. See, 5 units plus
10.
5 units.
10.
How much?
10.
How much 5 plus 5?
10.
1 plus 1?
1.
1 plus 1?
2.
2 plus 2?
4.
3 plus 3?
6.
4 plus 4?
8.
5 plus 5?
10.
So instead of this 10 units, we can keep this now. Because 5 plus 5 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Yes or no?
Yes.
Understand? Up to here if you learn, if you remember up to here, you can do double the digits easily. You can calculate any number easily, additions. Understand? 5 plus 5 how much?
10.
4 plus 4?
8.
3 plus 3?
6.
2 plus 2?
4.
1 plus 1?
2.
3 plus 3?
6.
5 plus 5?
10.
1 plus 1?
2.
3 plus 3?
6.
4 plus 4?
8.
3 plus 3?
6.
3 plus 3?
6.
Now let's do 6 plus 6. Wait. 6 plus, actually 6 how we have to write means 5 plus 1 is 6 na? This 6 we can write 5 plus 1 6, and this 6 also 5 plus 1 6. Now already we know 5 plus 5 is 10. Here 5 plus 5 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. Then again 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 and how much?
2.
So 10 plus 2 how much? 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 2 12. Understanding?
Yes.
6 we can write as 5 plus 5. Okay? So 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 I have written. So already we know. Listen. Already we got here 5 plus 5 is 10. So here 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 why we wrote? For a purpose. We know that 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5 plus 5 10 plus 1 plus 1 remaining na? 1 and 1 remaining na? So 10 plus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, 10. Okay, 10 plus 2 is 12 now. Okay? Understand?
Yes.
Understand? Let's do 7 plus 7 now. 7 how we can write?
6.
No, not with 6. 5 we have to write. 12? Very good. What's your name? Very good. Hajra, give claps to Hajra.